In this family, one phrase was heard again and again. We're a family. It was spoken quietly, sometimes with a smile, sometimes with a hint of hurt. At first it sounded warm, right, like something meant to bring people closer. But over time, it began to sound not like support, but like a way to make everyone stay silent. Marina and Alexander are a middle-aged couple. They have been together for almost 15 years. They have 2 children. Artem is 9, serious, too grown up for his age. Sofika is 5, quiet, observant, as if she is constantly reading the air around her. From the outside, they look like an ordinary family. No scandals, no shouting, no bad stories. Quite the opposite. People often told them, "What a close-knit family you have." When Marina was exhausted and asked Alexander to stay with the children, he sighed and said, "I work, you know. We're a family. We have to understand each other." When Alexander came home late without warning, and Marina felt hurt, he replied, "You're making things complicated again. We're a family. Why all these complaints?" When Artem said he didn't want to visit relatives, "You have to. We're a family." When Sofika cried and hid behind her mother, "Don't be difficult. We're a family. Everyone should be together." That phrase always ended the conversation. After it, no one listened anymore. Artem learned the rule quickly. If you feel uncomfortable, that's your problem. Because family comes first. He stopped arguing. He became convenient. He knew that good boys are praised. Sofika felt the tension, but couldn't name it. She just became quieter, asked for less, looked at adults' faces more often than at her toys. The children didn't know the word manipulation, but they knew very well that their emotions were unnecessary. One evening, Marina told Alexander that she wanted to visit a friend for the weekend. Alone, without the children, just to be in silence. Alexander was quiet for a few seconds. Then he said calmly, "Seriously? You want to leave us? We're a family." And suddenly, Marina heard that phrase differently. Not as care, but as reproach. As "you are supposed to." As "your needs are a betrayal." And for the first time, she didn't apologize. That night, Marina couldn't sleep for a long time. She remembered how many times she had stayed silent when she was hurting. How many times she had told her children, "Just endure it." How many times she had covered tension with the word family. And for the first time, she thought, what if family is not a place where you endure, but a place where you are heard? The phrase, "we're a family," can be support, or it can be a trap. It becomes manipulation when it's used to silence, when it dismisses feelings, when love is confused with obligation. True closeness does not require pressure. It doesn't force. It negotiates. If this story feels familiar, you are not weak. You were simply convenient for far too long.